It's time to make math great again. Let's go to the lesson. Okay, let's go to lesson 1.3, least common multiple. Basically, least common multiple, you need to find a number that, for example, in case of number 4, that 6 and 9 are factors of the number. And then the least number that can divide both, that will be your least common multiple. Okay, so in case of this one, find the LCM for 2 and 7. Always when you multiply the numbers, that's a common multiple, but not all the time is the least. That's a very good question, a very good trick. For example, for 4 and 12, 4 times 12 is 48. 48 is a common multiple, it is, but in this case it's not the least, because in this case the 12 is the LCM for 4 and 12 in this particular case. In case of 5 and 4, the multiplication of both, it is the least common multiple, which is 20. So 20 is the LCM for 5 and 4. You see that in this case it's not, and in this case it is. Now, what is the method that we need to do to find the least common multiple? Okay, the 6 and 9, what we do is, for example, I find the previous lesson, remember the lesson 1.2 is the prime factorization. Okay, this is what I do. For 6, I list all the factors. It's 2 and 3. And for 9, I list the factors. The factor for 9, the prime factors are 3 and 3. So I start taking numbers, but when the numbers is repeated, I just take it once. For example, these 2, I need it. These 3 match with these 3. So from this match, I just get 1 3. And then this 3 doesn't have another match, so I have to take it times 3. So basically, the least common multiple for 6 and 9 is 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So 18 is the LCM for 6 and 9. So let's try this method with the 4 and 12. Okay, I have the factors for 4, which is 2 times 2. And then the factors for 12 is 2 times 2 is 4 times 3. 2 times 2, 4 times 3 is 12. So from this match, I just select 1. From this other match, I just select 1. And then this 3 doesn't have any partner, so it have to go. So 2 times 2, 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So 12 is the LCM for 4 and 12. There are some cases that the same number, one of the number itself is the least common factor. Not all the time, but it happens. Okay, the following exercise says, write the unknown number for the box. So here they give you the LCM, they give you one of the number, and you need to find the other one. Okay, in this case, for example, for the 21, I know that the other number is 7, because as happened with 5 and 4, that when you multiply and give you 20, sometimes happens that when you divide, it gives you the other number. In this case, that's the case. 21 divided by 3, it's 7. So 7 is the other prime factor. Okay, here it's 7, and you have the box, and then LCM is 63. 63, here the other number, 63 divided by 7 is 6. So 63 is the LCM for 7 and 6. In this case, the number is 6 also. Now, when you have 10 and 5, the least common, in this case, you multiply them, because 5 times 10 is 50. 25 is not, because 25 divide 5 but not 10, so have to be a number ending in 0. Remember, it's very important that you know the divisibility rules. Numbers divided by 5, number that ends in 0 or 5. Numbers divisible by 10 are numbers ending in 0. So in this case, the LCM is 50. Okay. Well, here they just put this on a blank. So here is for this exercise. 7. Okay, let's go. The problem says there are 2 problems. We're gonna go just one. Juanita is making necklace to give as a present. She plans to put 15 beads on each necklace. Beads are sold in package of 20. What is the least number of packages she can buy to make necklace and have no beads over left? So basically, she the package that she buys are in numbers of 20, but she put just 15 beads on each. So what is the least number of packages she can buy so she have not beds left over? So basically, we need to find the least common multiple for those 2 numbers. Okay, because if she buy just one package, she used the 15 and she would have 5 left. So what we do is the method we learned before here, finding the prime factors. So the prime factors for 15 are 3 times 5. And the prime factors for 20 are 2 times 2 is 4 times 5 is 20. So remember what we learned before. If this 5 match with some other 5 with the other number, we just take 1. So those 2 match, we just take 1 5. Then this 2 does not match with anyone in the other side, so we take it. This 2 does not match with someone in the other side, we have to take it too. And then the 3. And this, if you multiply all this, that's equal to 60. Now, the 60 is the least common multiple for those 2 numbers. Now, the question is, what is the least number of packages? And each package has 20. But because I need 60, I just need to buy 3. So the answer for this problem is 3. 3 is the least number of packages that Juanita needs to buy, so in order that she have no beds left over. Okay, so this problem, you can read it at home, maybe you have the book, and have a great day.